Welcome to India Yojana Post Office Senior Citizen Savings Scheme SCSS. Interest rate, calculator and all the details are in this video. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme is a post office savings scheme for senior citizens which also saves income tax. This scheme offers 7.4% interest rate from 1st of October 2020 and can be determined with the help of Senior Citizen Savings Scheme calculator. Candidates can fill online application to avail the benefits of the central government scheme. All the investments in this savings scheme qualifies for the tax benefit under 80C of the IT Act. So this account maturity period, lock-in period is only 5 years with a maximum limit of 15 lakh rupees. Now comes to the chat. So you can also check out other post office schemes like National Savings Certificate, Public Provident Fund, Kisan Vikas Patra, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Recurring Deposit, Post Office Savings Account, Time Deposit Account, Monthly Savings Income Scheme. So moving on to NRIs and HUFs are not allowed to make investment for this particular scheme. People can find and check the SCSS interest rate chart and compare with the other schemes also. So from central government has decided to SCSS interest rate every year, which currently stands at 7.4 per annum from 1st of October to 31st of December. So now comes to the other saving schemes interest rate, which is the National Savings Certificate, that is 6.8% compound PA but payable at maturity. PPF, Public Provident Fund, 7.1% component yearly. Kisan Vikas Patra, 6.9 per year. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, 7.4%. Next, Post Office Recurring Deposit Account, 5.8%. Time Deposit Account, 5.5% to 6.7%. Calculated quarterly. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, 7.6% compound annually. Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, 6.6% per year payable. Post Office Savings Bank Account, 4%. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme interest rate is equal to FD in banks, but an advantage that FD interest are paid yearly while SCSS interest is paid quarterly. This will comes out to be 8.5 approx, which can be checked through the scheme calculator. Moving on to the eligibility and account opening details. So candidates must have a post office pan India, should be a senior citizen savings scheme in banks. Central government has permitted account opening in various nationalized banks like SBI, HDFC, Canara to ensure higher reach and easy accessible. For an amount below rupees 1 lakh, subscribers can open their account in cash, but for more than 1 lakh, subscribers need to pay payment through the check. Individuals can fill the application form in Form A along with pay-in slip in Form D. Any individual who falls in the below categories can open Senior Citizen Savings Scheme account. So, individual who is 60 years or above in age, any individual between 55 to 60 years of age and has retired on voluntary retirement. However, candidates must open his account within 1 month of receipt of retirement benefits, and maximum investment amount shall not exceed retirement benefits. Ex-defense service retired persons shall be eligible to an open account under the scheme on attaining the age of 50 years. Now comes to the nomination facility. Subscribers are allowed to open single account or joint account with the spouse. Spouse may or may not be a senior citizen. Accordingly, age of only one applicant will get considered for senior citizen savings scheme account opening. Subscribers at the time of opening account or after opening the account can nominate any person through filling application in Form C. So any subscriber can operate more than one account in individual capacity or jointly. The maximum limit even in the joint account still remains rupees 15 lakhs. Senior Citizens Savings Scheme maximum and minimum amount benefits. You can also check out the investment lock-in risk of other post office schemes. First is the National Savings Certificate, which is the lock-in period for 5 years, minimum amount 100 rupees, no maximum limit. PPF 15 years lock-in, minimum 500 and maximum is up to 1.5 lakh. Kisan Vikas Patra 9 years, 10 months. Minimum amount 1000 and no maximum limit. ELSS funds 3 years, 12 to 15% expected returns. Minimum amount is 1000 and no maximum limit. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme 5 years. Minimum deposit is 1000 and maximum is up to 15 lakhs. Recurring deposit 5 years. Minimum is rupees 10 per month and maximum is no limit. Next, moving on to the TD, time deposit amount 1 to 5 years. Minimum rupees 200 and no maximum limit. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana till 21 years. Minimum is 1000 and maximum is 1.5 lakh. Post Office Monthly Income Scheme 5 years, minimum 1500 and maximum 4.5 lakh. Post Office Savings Account, no lock period. So minimum is 50 and maximum is rupees 5 is 1 lakh. So now comes to the list of documents required to apply for this scheme. So you need the application form, next KYC form, recent photograph of applicant, PAN card, Aadhaar card, address proof, age proof, date of disbursement of retirement benefits for retirement personnel, certificate from employer consisting of information about retirement. So these are all the details for this particular scheme. So you can check out the official website for more details. And here you can see all the details. I will leave the direct links in description. You can check them out. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to India Yojana for more state and central government schemes.